So as you can see, the food plot is filling in nicely. Now, we're fighting nature, so nature's kind of taken over a little bit, but I expected that with being in the actual woods. Realistically, you want a nice open area. You want this spaced out nicely for some high sun availability. But with the soil and the fertilization and the seeding, it seems like it all planted and seeded well. It's germinated. And now we're just letting nature do its thing. I did pull some of the bigger weeds just to not allow it to be completely stifled there. But all in all, I'm happy. We'll see if the deer actually are able to enjoy the little bit of seed that we put down. And while we just look forward to seeing them, and again, aiming for the fall time for this to be most productive. I might reseed some different peas and maybe some turnips here coming up here in July or August, just to allow some winter feed for them as well, because I think most deer traffic that we have is for the winter time. But that's just a quick update with the food plot. So far so good. You can see behind us I have some persimmon trees that we planted. They are covered right now because we're expecting those cicadas to come out. The 17-year locusts or 17-year cicadas will be popping out here. We see a number of different holes in the turrets that they're ready to start climbing out, and they can cause some severe damage on your small fruit trees, on your small adolescent saplings and trees like that. So we did try to protect them. I hope it helps. Again, I think what we said there is try to plant this year in the fall, but I didn't want to wait that long. So we just used some tool that we bought from Joann Fabric, and it's supposed to keep them at least at bay. We look forward to showing you many more videos to come. Please follow us on Instagram, Project Fox DIY, as well as our YouTube channel, as you clearly are watching right now.